Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can add a size chart onto your product on your Wix.com website. So start from the Wix dashboard here and then click on Design Site. On Design Site, it'll take you to the Wix website editor. And from here, you want to go to Shop. And on Shop, click on Product Page. Wait for it to load. On Product Page, click on it, Manage Products. Wait for it to load. On Manage Products, click on the product you want to add a size chart on. So for example, this face, I want to add a size chart to it. I'm just going to click on it right there. Wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, scroll down, go to here, add an info section. On add an info section, click on this icon here to add a table. Make it 5.5. Make the columns 5 and click the row and make the row however much size you have. I'm gonna click OK. And for example, here I'm going to make small, medium, large, and XL. And it'll be the width, the size, the length, and the sleeve. I'm going to change this onto a body diameter instead. Body diameter, something like that. And I'm going to make the size 1, 1, 1, 1. Doesn't really make sense, but this is just an example anyways. 3, 3, 3, 3, and 4, 4, 4, 4. Click on OK. And wait for it to load. It might take a bit because it's a table. Of course, I forgot the name. I'm going to name this size chart. Click on OK. And now we have a size chart here. Don't forget to save. There you go. Now let's check it out on the product page here. We need to go back to the shop. On the shop, click on preview to see the product we just added size charts to earlier. And that product will be in the face. Click on the face. Let's check. Scroll down. And there it is. That's our extra info. Let's click on the plus button to reveal it. And there you go. We have a size chart right there.